Soborangweki ngenderere kushashurira obwire bwasisikaire bwanyuma ya campaign zikwemerezebwa campaign ezi zikemerezebwa bwanyuma y'abantu mukaga abayibetsimbiro mukaruraka kweterera enduru ko batarikuza kubasa kuronda karura ka hamwe bari kugira ngo hakarumwe mvyomi gibetotereho no kubatina tinsa ekinjo cyagemeserezo kwebembero bururo mu kibina cha NRM Dr. Tango Doi kwemereza campaign zezi Joseph Kutegeka urukwebembere byo bururu Kibina cha NRM district ya Hoima yahamye nshongeji arikugira ngo yatunge baraha kurwo wa Dr. Tango Doi arikugihereza program nsya ya karuraka
Kuboka mtu kumaliza registration uba kukebera nkaza abakomi muterekeza mu kumaliza kyalero saa 8 nuko register zeze ko Kampala bamarire kuterekeza icyo kyalero saa 8 isabu konti yona
Dr. Kutegeka yangera yashoborangu abantu abarkwija kwandikisa okwejumbiro mu kuronda kwa karuraka beziro nambanje munonga uteriho no kugira ngo abetsimbireho bakaretsere program nsya ibarikuza kurondera makaruru.
Of course we have encountered some challenges in these exercises. Turn up times was not fast enough, was not good enough, and these candidates, we saw some of them submitting their programs late, and as of now, some have not submitted their revised programs.
Bamwe abetsimbireho mu karuraka bashobora ngwetsi icyo kongeza yo kutera karuru n'ikirungi munonga abo kubebitweke bimwe byo mu district ya Hoima gumere kwikaho munawe cyo ukongeza ya karuru kibaherezo bwirebo kwikana muntu wari munonga.
I'm very happy with postponing of the party primaries from 25th to 28th. Reason being it gives us enough time to reach some of the places that we didn't reach, because one day per Sambo County was not enough for some of us.
And in the joint campaigns, and when we were opened up for everyone to have his own program and to move along, it meant that those days should be compensated in order to level the ground for every candidate. That was one. Secondly, NRM Electoral Commission, I think, took heed of the position that the NRM candidates, the district was too big and the NRM candidates could not have enough time to move.
Jackson Murindambura mwena Samuel Byarhanga bona betsimbire ha mukaruraka bagira ngo Hoima inamagombora mahango munonga ngunahabwecho okubonyeza ya karuru njibikiriza kwikahara burumuntu wena.
As a candidate, I am happy with the extension, although I can even say that it was not enough. The days were too short because we are running to fit within the program of the National Electoral Commission of Justice Yabakama. That's why our program has been so stiff. But for one to campaign effectively in this district, you require at least 3 months.
It was okay. Originally, we were supposed to have gone to the polls on 25th. But because we had lost some 3 days, it was all correct that we were compensated with more days. So I have no complaint about that. Then regarding the enthusiasm from the electorate, yes, the people are there. Wherever we are going, we are meeting people. Only that individually I was saying, for me, I'm not keen on these rallies.
Kandwe Susanna Turra uyetsimbire honko muntu buntu yashobora ngo kimuretsero mukwetsimba mukaruraka no kugira ngo umwana wo mwishi umuruhoima na wafebweho
ire bingi ko kumbagambire bimukani mu birora ingudo tizirimirwe mukure mirimo bakutunda butunda obusuma bwe sente ha district bukwijja ni bubura obuherezo mbantu tibakubutunga government programs naza abantu tibazigobora mukurungi. For example ati mukurora nka PDM elimpia kanibo yatandika baita abantu batandikira complaining omuntu okasaba emiliyoni mukionka bakwereze emitwara 3 emitwara 2 norera kimungu ne plan zokabo otegekere kusobora kugobora nkozesa om PDM nazo tizikiyahikira nkokokabozi planningire no sanga ebintu byona bikusisikairo. So nyizire kurorange challenges eze za district se ziroho tusoboire kuzihaho tuate aterekereza district yaitu yagaruka omunteeko.
Ofisi y'obwa chairperson bw'entebe ya katano ya district ya Hoima kagumaho etari umuntu wena bwanyuma y'owaberera chairperson wa district eji Kadiri Kirungi okugomora butanu y'emotoka mu kwa kashatu kw'omwaka ogu. Amakuraga gasha kwa Gada Saba awa Sky TV agenshonga.